Tonight, FEMA says hurricane relief funds are now available for 3 Midlands counties: Lexington, Newberry, and Saluda. Earlier today, the governor addressed concerns that certain counties were receiving federal aid before others. Take a listen.
We're getting a lot of calls wanting to know why this county or that county has not been included in the disaster relief. That is because under the federal procedure, although we got the declaration to provide funds for disaster relief, the counties themselves must send in the information here for us to transmit it to FEMA. It doesn't work any other way.
And that FEMA assistance can include grants for temporary housing and home repairs, low-cost loans to cover uninsured property losses, and other programs to help individuals and business owners recover from the disaster.